सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
পটল পোস্ত আর সর্ষে ইলিশ ভাপা। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाग, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।
Hello and welcome back to Ajay's Thromani Guru. I'm Riya, and today we are diving deep into the latest movements and advanced analysis for aluminum prices. We've seen the metal hold steady, largely due to a positive rebound in China's consumer inflation and a continued drawdown in global inventory. Let's get straight into the specifics for 16th October. Shanghai aluminum prices maintained a firm stance on Wednesday. The most traded November contract on the SHFE closed marginally higher by 0.05% at 20,885 yuan per metric ton in the night session of 15th October. Technically speaking, the market shows signs of consolidation. Prices are currently trading just below the 5-day moving average, which is acting as a short-term resistance point around 20,904 yuan. However, the price is holding firmly above the 10-day, 30-day, and 60-day averages. This suggests that while there's short-term resistance, the overall medium-term trend for aluminum remains bullish. Trading volume saw a dip to 22,933 lots, indicating a cautious sentiment and low market participation. Keep an eye on the key resistance zone between 20,900 and 21,000 yuan, with strong support expected around the 20,700 yuan level. Spot market tightness, East and Central China. Moving to the physical market, we see sustained firmness due to tight supply. East China, limited arrivals and ongoing destocking have kept the market tight. Suppliers are reluctant to sell, leading to active restocking by large buyers. This has narrowed discounts significantly, pushing prices to small premiums of 10 to 20 yuan per metric ton against the SMM average price. Consequently, the SMM A00 aluminum price rose by 20 yuan per metric ton to 20,920 yuan per metric ton. Central China, buying interest picked up slightly throughout the day. Muted early trade gave way to increased downstream purchases later, helping prices move closer to parity with the SMM average. The SMM Central China A00 price saw a 10 yuan rise to 20,850 yuan per metric ton, and the Henan Shanghai spread narrowed to minus 70 yuan per metric ton. Scrap and alloy market, stability amid supply issues. The recycled aluminum market remains stable, supported by two main factors: tight scrap supply and firm primary aluminum prices. Prices for baled UBC scrap and shredded 10 scrap held steady week on week, quoted around 15,850 to 16,350 yuan per metric ton and 17,300 to 17,800 yuan per metric ton, respectively. There's a clear divergence in market opinion here. Some participants believe the tight supply will keep prices elevated, while others note limited willingness from downstream users to accept these high scrap rates. ADC 12 alloy prices were mostly stable, though some producers did hike offers by 100 yuan per metric ton due to rising costs. Macroeconomic tailwinds, China's demand recovery. From a macro perspective, the latest data from China is supportive. China's Consumer Price Index, or CPI, saw a month-on-month rise of 0.1% in September. More importantly, the core CPI, which strips out volatile food and energy prices, climbed 1% year-on-year. This marks the core CPI's first return to a 1% growth rate in 19 months, a subtle but significant signal of a mild demand recovery in the world's largest consumer of aluminum. However, as always, macro risks persist, primarily surrounding the ongoing trade tensions between China, the US, and the EU. Inventory signals, bullish fundamentals. Fundamentally, the picture is bullish, driven by falling inventories both domestically and globally. China, SMM data shows aluminum ingot social inventories continued their decline, falling to 627,000 metric tons as of 16th October. This is a significant drop of 23,000 metric tons from the previous week and sits well below typical seasonal levels. Increased direct supply of liquid aluminum from northern smelters is further reducing ingot availability, creating tightness in the spot market. Global market. Adding to the bullish sentiment, LME aluminum inventories also declined on Wednesday, falling by nearly 5,000 metric tons to 48,975 metric tons. This reflects a persistent trend of supply tightness in the global aluminum market. In summary, the aluminum market is currently being driven by strong fundamental factors, including a significant inventory drawdown in both China and the LME, and positive signs of demand recovery, as indicated by China's rebounding core CPI. While short-term caution is evident with lower trading volume, the underlying technical structure remains bullish on a medium-term basis. Investors should watch the key resistance levels closely in the coming sessions. That's all for today's advanced aluminum analysis on Ajayasthomani Guru. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the latest commodity updates, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next analysis. Thank you for watching and invest wisely.